Anhui Feistel Outdoor Product Limited is one of China's leading exporters of outdoor products such as camping table, bed, chair, trekking pole, sleeping pad, hammock, carabiner, etc. We are still making progress in marketing and development. Feistel focuses on purchasing, quality control, arranging shipments, and continuously tracking customer orders. Our products are exported to Japan, Korea, Europe, and other countries and regions. Deep get customer fancy. Our company strives to provide good products and excellent services for our customers. We will control the quality of each product and put consumers' profit in the first place. We have strict control over the details of product production, from purchasing raw materials to production to quality inspection. We have a professional foreign trade export team. Our products are sold to over 100 of countries in the past 10 years. We have many customers who sell the customized products made by us on Amazon. OEM and ODM are great welcome. We could custom the logo, color, package, etc. for the products. We will try our best to meet customers' order needs. Our old customers place orders from us every month and established a good cooperative relationship with our old customers. When customers encounter difficulties, we will help customers solve the difficulties together. We will grow up together with our customers. We are looking forward to partner up with customers all over the world.